I start asking questions. But nothing when nobody tell me say nah add up. So me just can't bother. Me just have to ask them over and over again and it look like one of them plan one story for someone like them train. Cause nothing add up. Cause all in depend all everybody depend the girl go rob man. First of all, if girl go rob man, when man a go left girl for evidence for cause whether you shoot you and you run gun, them a run you down and kill you. And if a two little girl come by themselves and then a no man back at him a man, why take out a one man to box them down then? Put it so, just put it so.
The girl see it a come because the girl talked before said she don't want to work with that girl. She talked it out her own mouth before she did. Because you see when she talking a fear room, me can hear.
I you know say, funny enough, me know what status, you know. And true because me the one go look for his status to say if him and nobody if him put up nothing like him a show no word. You know. This by the time I go to Bama and go on the woman status, I mean the woman status all day. Me I say watch ya. Chicken post me all day. Like him post me all day. Post me all day Tuesday. All day Tuesday. Post me all day Tuesday. I just meet up on his status and look at flyers at the workplace then. And you know say chicken always call me and tell me when he go work. He call me and say sister. When they go yesterday work and me say alright, take me to going back say but chicken never call me about the man never work. But he always call me and say me they go down so tonight. I hear some of the work at me always tell me say if they go nowhere. Text me know so if any case or anything me can know so I say go. But he may text me about man never. But normally I take me and say sister I send more flyers and we say I hear some of the work tonight but he may tell me not what the man never work.
But I never know say you and her move so close, you know. Probably if me did know more than call you and tell you, what she's saying on the phone, you know. But I never know.
Then when chicken come and be a female, I do chicken bookings, you know.
Eh,
I'm the book for chicken.
I never know. And the morning, she talked in the morning and she died in the night.
But
So she,
like they like in little promotion I wrote like little barber up film side that she take them there. But anything when they come out of your side, I me take them. You understand?
yeah.
Cause you know that the up in her ear. Anything where the man develop up in her ear, she just take them and go and pass for promotion. But anything when it come be a side area, I got watch it tone and I me take them the one day.
My mother then come up here and sister and brother still, so we are going to do a candlelight here Thursday. So me dey say I want video it and do something there and send it to you.
And I tell you, girl, well, you know what to say, you know, me say me can't. Actually, I'm not sleep. Me then I want to walk up and down whole check because this man gonna be there after 4. And I want my friend wake up me back since morning after 6 and say to me say, I'm wake up there and I say yes. I must say I first me wake up. Me say me just go to my bed because I'm not even asleep. Me just go to my bed.
Can't sleep. Nobody can sleep. Nobody can sleep. Nobody can sleep. I can't believe that Britney is gone. Me keep looking out for her. Every night me go over there and sit down by her front door.
Hear them.
Just sit down there and wait for her to come. Can't believe Britney gone. No, sir.
Yes, so. Sarah, you know, we know, say man, no war analyst. If I Britney alone, you know, you're more.
And Dyema, I wife this.
Eh?
I wife this. I husband there talk to you a while ago, but I wife this now.
Oh, you're a wife.
Hi.
No, she. That a chicken lana.
Hi.
Hello, Ma.
She was a nice girl, man. Nice girl.
Everybody
Nice
know that.
girl. Oh my God, she was the best.
A long time when young people not dead, when somebody have people have to be a good about them, because they know what is young man as a
I
chicken
know,
man.
exactly. And so far, I mean, I hear nobody saying nothing negative about her, Britney. Everything is all good.
Chicken man is
Yes.
before chicken
She have
argue,
no-
before
she
argue,
live-
the next
she
thing
live
out to him, you know,
here.
he just say, all right.
Yeah, she live here, see a whole crowd that come to her, nothing like that. She's just a nice person. When she off, she do her laundry, she do her washing, and because the apartment is attached to our house,
Yeah.
we can see her from the back. And she would hail me up, Miss P, and we did chat. But it's very difficult to get nothing out of her. You have to really push her. She don't talk. She don't mix up with nobody. She don't mix up.
You have to really build a conversation as in
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So you know
Yes.
my yard. Sometimes I feel say, you're not gonna look sitting in the kitchen feet, girl.
Yeah. Nice girl, man. Nice girl.
You see, and you know love people, yeah. You see,
Nice.
You care how chicken come down here and work. You see, as they like, chicken head and pan in bus and gone and yard. All the time chicken stay on yard for 2 days unless you have work back to back.
me sir, like, me sir.
Oh,
Me sir bad.
Oh, God, man.
Me sir, man.
That's why the motive of the killing so stressing.
Anyway,
Because
as Trish said, we're doing everything for a Thursday.
I tell you. And then I don't know if chicken live in a car. True, we never come back chicken here yet because chicken live so far. We never really come up there yet. Well, I tell you.
I know. She was well comfortable down there, man.
Yeah, man, because I tell me, say, move from one other place and I live on one other part. I must say, oh, this other part I stay now. I must say, land them nice, man, everybody good. I mean, like, yeah, some more. And whatever.
No.
Well, I tell you, God. And then nobody can get
Dyema, I don't know, but I don't know if you could have come to
Eh?
Dyema.
Yeah.
Yes, Fred.
Mother want to come up here, Dyema, and just come in at the community and see what spot Britney did live. And just talk with the people that I am here with them.
This girl tell you the truth, I love me, can't come up there. Me can't go back on that. Not even candlelight I did there, me can't go come. Only place me I go and funeral God spare me life, because we have to save God. Me can't go back on that. Me can't go back on that because if you go sit down and see candlelight and know say chicken. No, sir.
Normally when she there, she don't come and say, "Chief, you want 2 cigarettes, want 1 juice." And she buy them and she gone back.
Hey, you come out on the comment section. Because I see you comment people. You come out on the comment section because you can't tell me if you go know where me want to go. Go and go because I want to see a man what day yesterday me talk about the girl love talk about setup and them things. You don't love talk about setup. Leave me comment section and set up argument. Because some man not even like people just want to come talk. I say I got to know the other yesterday the girl me and kick off, you know. In the comment section I talk about setup. Everything you talk about setup. Man. The comment section has a cause problem. Go on, when I go, man. Because yesterday me they explain only in the comment section I talk about setup. Me the little girl come call me and they talk about setup. Me can't stand on them and leave me on the comment section. If you don't have nothing to tell me about just lock out the comment section and just leave, brother. Because you see, uno comment section I understand on yourself, blood. Uno can't tell me what to leave. Me want to go, uno can't tell me if you go. Man, uno too look a bit enough. Uno always a start problem. Me not like have no comment section because sometimes people in the comment section want to reach out to me because the comment section is a lady I reach out to me from. All that people, anybody will type set up. Anybody will type set up in the comment section where you know look like a foolish matter, you just mute them. I'm not tell me to be careful. Just leave me comment section alone. Because if you're in your house, you go there, go there. If you're in your car, you go there, go there. I'm not afraid of nothing. Because I don't know where we are walking afraid of that for. When you have time, leave the place, man. We don't have no time, though. Anything I'm afraid of that, we have to go someday. That if somebody want to kill me, and everybody know me live, then they come kill me also. I then bold me, I sell my shop. I then come kill me at my shop. I me a drive past. So top chat 40 man, don't think somebody afraid of that. Go on, man, be careful.
You know, so
Come on, as a mouth. Dirty nigga mouth. What do you got time?
I brought my feet section cut off.
You can't afraid of that. People can't afraid of that. They have to we never come and feel it. You know, easy on yourself in the comment section more time, and you easy on yourself, man. I tell you already if I just come on, you know. See yourself, you don't have negativity, keep it on yourself. We don't see scream and comment about it, and don't write it in the comment section because you're not too negativity. And negative people like on the mouth, more long people, more long people. And who this name Queen Kelly, I know, let me see how it is.
I'm gonna get past here.
Yeah, because I come like on the feel this. No, not send to the request and I come with be a nice buyer, so. Yeah, man, you don't go, man. You can't afraid that they come for anybody, anywhere there. You see, anywhere there, and your destination. Boss it, you see, anywhere there and your destination, I just a destination, here.
I'm not lie. Yeah.
Let me have to do it, fam.
But think,
Let me
cut them off and then talk. I talk what she talk, you know.
Yes.
I talk what she talk.
Let me have to
Because you can't talk cut off somebody. by this morning and by 9 night you did.
Oh,
I'm afraid of this. If God say destination, if you drown, you go drown. If God say destination, if you crash, you go crash. If God say destination, if you live in your bed and sleep, and no wake, you go sleep. If God say you're going to kill you, anyway, to your destination, you don't come back no. Be careful. Be careful. I want to can nobody can talk about my friend. Nobody. Nobody.
Nonsense to you.
So no can't tell me be careful of what. You mean if you talk about my friend? I don't think me I want friend of people. No boy man, come here somehow, you know. Come see somehow no some dirty people build some fake page. I me go over one page, me see one somebody build one fake page. I talk about Mel want I talk about that she forget. All me, yeah, pan and I want people. Me go over observer, when observer put a bar. This is somebody when name Oberman comment. The Billy page on this, you know. And that she forget she too enough. She forget that she know. Which part of she know? Where?
That girl that will not even talk. And Britney live here so 1 year. And you never see poor we sit down one time and talk. If she come to buy something, she just buy it and gone back in her room.
everybody TikTok good of Britney and Brinkley. Everybody. Everybody. They don't have nothing bad to say about the girl. She just keep herself to herself.
Britney with the woman she now work. If somebody call her and say, Chicken, come
Oh man.
perform at my party. She not tell them say she not coming up. She get up right away and gone. As such she stay.
Chicken don't know if you tell. Chicken don't know if you tell nobody no.
No, she not stay that way there. All when she not plan for it. You see she jump up and do her hair and beard and gone.
You never call chicken because know it and he say, me nah no years time, me nah no in just say I. He love say I, he just say I. And he say, sister what time? And I say, reach about this at time.
If she even go late, she rather she know say she did it and spend even an hour than don't go none at all.
And chicken
And
nah
that me
late.
realize with her.
Chicken nah late for party, you know, because chicken love dancing so much, he dedicate himself to dancing. Cause he come like a dancing. He come like a dancing easy in pain. He dedicated to dancing.
Yeah man, when you see she come in and she cook and eat and wash up her plate them and wash. And you see she pack her bag and gone again. I tell you, I know I can't believe it's Britney gone.
A long time,
I
I know see
still a
people.
look for see she walk up
A
down the
long
road.
time, I know see people feel so to a young girl. Come back to them nowadays, young people are no manners, you know. And class of people, you know. You can't hear chicken never call up with no man.
You know that
You can't hear somebody disrespect people. You can't hear nothing bad about chicken. Somebody say something bad about chicken, I must go hide and be the page and so far. Look how me miserable and me and chicken never catch up yet.
Some people not even. The night me and her there so 1 year now. And some people feel say me alone live here.
Yeah.
You're there.
People always say somebody live on the other side. And I say, yeah, one next girl live on the other side.
Let me sell the voice. Miss P. Me sell the voice, man. Oh God.
One little Rasta man there here, anything she want to do, like what do you she win her TV. I little Rasta man she call. We can put it up here. Only that little Rasta man there alone can go in her house. You never see nobody.
I want to be chicken, you know. And I want to anyway competition day. Remember me tell the man, he not afraid. The same time he came nowhere. And he start dancing, people have to say, you know, Lillian silent. Yes, and see those when the people them just sing just get mad and start dancing, people say, no man. I say remember and he come like he can't my chance. Cause we just come at party, we just stand up and they drinking liquor and did it until they vibes lick him. They just sing just start mashing the place. And people always are shocked and I say, that's so bad. Kind just always stand up and just humble. You know, try to prove. You know, try to prove. If him a dance right, you know. Mel, thank you, my loving sister. Oh my God, Mel, thank you, my sister. You say if him a dance right now, I say chicken, all right, done. You listen to me and tap, you know.
Yeah.
So, from high school, yeah. And if quiet, quiet, so you imagine say mother must quiet, because chicken quiet bad. Chicken all day and wrap up in my bed and my sheet, me I tell the boss lady. And I mean, remember say chicken in there and I left Ghana be. Gone do something and I come back. I say, I rasta chicken. I never know see in my bed in the carton Lily and last in the bed. I say, I rasta chicken. I never know see in him. I say, yeah, me think gone up and he say, me not go up yet in the car. I remember last time, say, me not go up yet because I want party at book tonight. I say, oh. I say, chicken come up and I shit in my bed for 8 to 2. I never know say chicken in my bed. Because chicken does Lily and last in my bed. Lily, every time chicken buy no clothes, we have to walk out. We have to walk out boat and take them in. We can't find inside. We have to buy picnic size and take them in. I don't buy some picnic size, sometimes we have to take them in.
So my time I will never pin out clothes and my past.
Remember so when you went dance at Queen, you know, nobody, no people never know chicken no, because when chicken with dance at Queen, never get that the highlight. I try with him and I go and push him out to the big market because he didn't really get the dance at Queen highlight when we get. Because I think when he went with, I think I 3 years back he went with. 3 years back. Got 3 years now since he went with dance. Yeah. But she never get the highlight about it. And me, carry chicken at town and him sitting and boom boom them know him and them sitting and then he start up on his own and then look at something. And then look at work me get. With the year I go so bam. Me and him go with Canada visa and then get a little fly to Canada. And me and him there put myself together to go to England, you know. And me I tell you Jesus.
Yeah, the girl got her little bus.
The girl just go get him bus. The girl just get him eye like her. Anytime nobody call me, say me dance at work, you know, me no left him. And sometimes the people them say, you can't pay to him, so don't worry about that. Me pay him out of my money. Me no left him. I left him. I mean one little dancing part, me no left him go nowhere. Last time I see chicken at 2 weeks back with the where we got Chini Unique party at Kingston. And that 2 weeks back and he text me and say, boy sister, thanks again, I respect me never left me out. And he said to me, say, boy, I make such and such tip. And I said to him, say, boy, I see it. Better than if I went in your bed car and we book still, but see it better than you in there. I mean, I'm a reason, you know? And any little thing happen to him, if nobody send out to him, call me and say, sister, listen to the voice note and tell me if me right, or tell me if we go. Or we say, me go send a number to somebody, you know, and you charge him for me or so. You know, and I say, all right, cool. And when he go know me call me and say, sister, me I go to go work tonight. And I say, all right, text me and go and me know say reaching safe. And he send me one flyers and say, sister, me I work here something like that. So he do. Because to me, I always say, chicken, when I go nowhere, I always tell me because somebody have to know where you go at times. But me never tell me, no man. But he always send me the flyers.
Yeah, because me here said she did have a dance to go, but the dance here cancel. So I so come to reach up there, so that me here. She never booked for this, so.
Somebody say, I open you need to go, but should have worded it up there, so you go take that word there.
And she did leave. She did leave. She come back home. She never leave. She said sleep home.
You know what I mean? Like with the media people, then just around with be a fake story where they have a depend. All of me here on this spot media. Nakis, he must say Nakis and Clappies. Say, oh, you little one. Go selling catches and rob man. And man, I said, example. You don't think no one not taxi. Because that now make no sense. Because even little girl going to party, see? And rob man. Remember them alone come, they don't come in no gun man, they don't come in nobody. You never take not a one man to box them down there, just put it so. That they make sense to you. What make we would have robbed one man and one man and wait till party done to come shoot. That don't make no sense.
Wait till party done.
That don't make
nobody
no sense.
Have time for go.
And this part of talk, oh, Nakis and Clappies, Gran come back and say, I set an example. A foolish is on this part of talk. Because what kind of example you could have one set to that one girl? You could have cut him up then, you say, you could have cut them up then. Thump them down, back them down, and the man nobody come. So what kind of gunshot you have to fire? You can just back them down or use a knife, cut them up. I'm just saying something. And if somebody pick you, where you there wait till when time dance do what man have time to wait till man? Man I go have time to wait till y'all don't dance and satisfy themselves if you can shoot them.
Everybody gone.
Everybody gone. Because
only them and the bar owner did it.
That no make no sense in them attack, see. No sense that they make. Yes, it on their station, yes. It on their station. Yes,
so all this time when we are call the phone and the phone now answer, she have the phone.
When the answer is, you know, because she did answer me pan, you know. But the people them then tell her to tap answer chicken phone.
Okay.
When we went just call her in the morning and it just happened, she did answer me pan. And then you know that girl when give me see her number, me call her pan, and then one of my other friends me call pan chicken. She when they answer chicken phone, you know. But the other girl named Kitty must tell her to the top answer chicken phone, isn't it?
Oh.
So and then you know say phone probably there and probably dead or something. You understand? But I think they said yeah man, I think his sister tell me say the police them have the phone, so the phone hand over.
Yeah. Okay.
But this is where
I
them
know
say
they're not no type.
because if a man go sell a girl, if a girl go sell a man crutches, and you pick a man, when one man go wait till they done dance if he come kill you? That don't make no sense.
Man, no don't dance.
And even so, man shoot. Alright, then listen to this. Them claim say man shoot chicken and shoot up a she and run off. Why man go shoot chicken and you then say, you then say would that sell it fuck? What make man them run down and kill it too? Who they left evidence you nobody contact?
And she going at the bus and the bus never drive off.
No, that makes sense to me. You know, since not even the paper them have a proper statement this good. You know, see? Nothing that make no sense, that's all. Nobody now leave no evidence. Cause if you rob me and your friend come and me shoot your friend and you run off, me I go run down and shoot you too. And then what make you go pick one man and one man over here and dance done when you not satisfied when you sell it. If you come shoot you and you come with no come with that group of man, you not come with nobody. Then some are two different stories and some people are say, oh they say girl rob man and man chill girl got dance and wait for them. Who have time for that? That don't make no sense. Who have time for that? If I rob somebody, people are chilling for who have time for that? Nobody have no time for that. If I rob me, I'm a head man, and I come to you, I come to you, we go wait for you. When we go chilling, we go all the way dance, wait till they don't dance. That don't make no sense. The people in Jamaica are stupid. Because if you're the cheap boss,
they would have robbed
they
them.
must tell you if me I trail you. If you rob me, I trail you. We must trail you to a spot where we can shoot up a vehicle or whatever. I'm just saying. Or if I bust on the part, we must trail you to a spot to see you come out for the bus to shoot up you. Why me I go wait till you go dance? We have to let done dance, enjoy life, and life done and by like I'm going to show with you. Then something that makes sense. Then something that make not a sense, nigga. Let me hear the one of them talk about the Tory. Let me hear the one of them talk about the Tory. They not even listening. They never listen to none of them foolishness story. For them, they something that make that sense. Come on. I say this a youth here, so make me know chicken. Because he come from Christian and I'm beside it. He make me know chicken. I'm bring chicken to me, the youth here, in the box now. Yeah, I know this a youth here over 10 years now. And he may introduce chicken to me. Then chicken will go into the dancehall queen. He said chicken go into the dancehall queen and him and chicken come. Maybe he tell him, say, hey, how we finally the girl from my man win tonight, you know? Ask me not tell him that chicken I win before chicken. He tell his story. Come on. Don't like you can't talk. Come on. Come on.
Say yo, last night, I look into it and I say yo. Me say, chicken called me last week and say, man, he just say, oh, chicken said to him that he say, you know, forget you know. Oh, yourself, you know. I'm not like me glad you make me know them. You know, say British always tell me, say, yo, you know, me watch Dyema. A Dyema, me roll my dinner. But I want to know, you know, I say British. I want to man. Let me tell you, for the first time,
Come on, say chicken, the people are used to British, but you are used to be calling some. The chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
China used to chicken. Yeah.
You know, the first time when we tell British here, chicken for enter dancehall queen, you know, and chicken I say, yo, this year for enter, man. This year for your year, man, and he tell, and he say, no, say, the internet. Remember, so when chicken tell me, say, the whole life friend, them are going to come in and sit there, and I say, all right, then I'm going to make your friend them go on. Because me do want to go to the party on Monday, me do want to go to color splash on Monday. I want chicken a car, chicken I say, yo, remember, say, you tell me to enter, so how you not go to it?
Come on now, you're good.
One somebody really come. One no somebody really go down at Oshi and the only somebody when I go down they go see. I'm not saying that, you know, same time me come and me always go link you.
Yeah.
when you done there, before you reach, because once you reach the party, people will talk about it. When you're Marvin reach, and me say to, I think Oshi, me say to her before chicken go past stage, me say, ratting. But they don't have that even link Dyema, make you know, say me there, you know. But me I go link him, man. Chicken a kill me if you go link him. I say, yo, you soon know Dyema, you know yourself. And when, remember, so just see me down there, you know. And thing, you know, and me tell her, say, yo, remember, say, you tell me, say, chicken, I go in Dancehall Queen before you win, you know. At that game,
At the time, I never know, say. At the time, I see chicken, never know, say, yeah, and him come, and I say, "Daddy, could get a body and say, me come." I say, "Come on, you come and call me."
That's true. And when me did it, I say, when we did it, I for you see the settings, you say that girl, I mean, me go back and I say, British, Dyema a bit pan, you know, so do master. I remember, say, you see, you love Dyema and sing, you know, and Dyema your role model, you know, so do it, you know. I mean, I tell her, me not like Dyema, me don't know about.
I remember, say, chicken drop out. I want man kick back chicken as in white card.
Tell her, remember, say, chicken
Yeah,
drop
man,
out.
I say chicken did drop out, and I judge him picking back from wild card, you know. And the little girl come back and mash up the place.
Man, we have a story about
I see the man pick back chicken from wild card.
Real. I remember say chicken go hot because when me there around there, I say chicken Dyema there, you know. And when chicken go up and doing thing and chicken go hard, you know, me I tell her say, remember say, you know, before they say chicken when me reach up long time, you know. Me reach past stage long time, you know. Before they say winning.
We know say him win, because we could have seen him win.
If you just still up on our phone, I'm some other video if you take down. I mean I tell you say Dyema for me don't know. For me introduce you to chicken, brother, I never hear chicken link me. I never hear you link me and tell me say, yo, come on, how your friends are going fan? No bad. So you see, find them the time until now, me I tell them chicken always I say, yo, a long time I watch them. I'm saying they're gonna make you know how in person and know yourself. Cause you know, they must alright. When me I talk on the phone, you know, I mean I talk to you, you know. Chicken did ask me say if chicken did ask me already say for the real Dyema that you know. Me say I'm a Dyema, you know. He says, "Star, you know lamb, me want to know that the girl, you know lamb me I watch her." I said, "John, no." I found them the time until now. Chicken, me don't know. Dyema real girl, brother. Dyema real. Yo, you see all them love chicken up here, so you see I'm like, alright. No matter how the whole heap of Tik Tok and the whole heap of artists and the this and that, if Dyema alone touch a country, party can run. Dyema alone can run party. I know first Dyema run a party for me. Enough time, but so me I keep party with that Dyema, I mean I no money, you know. I be a banana, yeah, me go look, you know. And I say, oh, me not be. A banana, I am me again. I will not have it. So much time Dyema left for me come here free the party. You think I tell me a party? You think I tell me no Dyema?
And people don't know say me have that good heart there. I'm glad you can talk, Kemar. Much time you come to your party and we no hard time. I just say, Kemar, pack one market bag, give me.
No, Dyema, I think I tell Dyema right now, if Dyema touch up here one party, right now, that nobody is not for the party. Dyema, you know, for when people are killing me, I say, me I care about Dyema, okay?
Kemar, remember in a COVID, when me call and say, Kemar, me go sell some season, when you can me go a bush. And you can me go all boat, go look see people and something. Let me tell you.
Yo. Oh.
And Kemar, you know how me miserable and stay.
Yo, some people don't understand. People will see you.
Call you one day I make complaint. Me never call you one day I make complaint to chicken. Chicken never give me no problem yet. Never. Me I know it's only could get that bad boss lady. And when I can them go party and go with man. No sir, not chicken. Not chicken. Anyway, you and him go. I must stand up with you. And if you have somebody catch up, he might not say nothing. But he not move from this spot, he might look. And he not move and he might itch up back at your PP. And he not move. He not really talking about if he fight, he will fight. If he fight, he will fight, but he not go argue. But he will just stand up and look and he not move. And he is a woman, they behind you right through till thick and thin. Right through.
So Dyema, me and her mouth never meet it. If me wash, because two of we use the same line. If she wash and she a go where she say, Trish, take up the enclosed here for me. and just fold them up and put them down for me till me come. And me use the line. And if me wash them in there, she will take up my one them until when me come. I saw me and her live.
The next dancing partner right here, so Chips, yeah, so. And a chicken introduced me to she, yeah, so Chips. Chicken introduced me to she. And me can't and take Chips to me. I have no problem with Chips still. And me did that chicken introduce. Boy, I tell you when a long time, boy, I tell you chicken, you, boy, me no know. Boy, I never go in a one church, you know, I feel like I go talk nothing, but me not tell you, me have to go talk, sitting. Chicken too nice. That how you
Say,
go so
if the
scared.
day when to the gate, if me did know and could have say, Britney don't go and work.
You know,
Like
say
she a
people,
walk.
father always say sometimes people can't feel anything. You know, because you see, chicken post me whole lady Tuesday when I look on chicken status and me depend on when I look on chicken status Thursday, Wednesday, when I look on chicken status Thursday morning. And me depend on chicken status, chicken post me whole day. Whole day, you know, and that lick me worse, you know. Come me go pan and go look, come me say, alright. Come me go look if you know sometimes if nobody catch up people, we post on their status and say, alright, something. So I say, me go look, I me look as me lick his status on me, they pan me all about. You say, watch ya. That make it lick me worse, Kemal. That make it lick me worse.
In night, she have evening she have her work and when the taxi come Dyema, she sit down for a little while before she go in her taxi. In night me in here and normally when she come me hear in the gate push. I'm mother just curtain. I mean I move the curtain until when she go in her house. After me and her doorway the same thing. And when she go in we job at the curtain. And the night me wake up about 1:30 and can't go back go sleep and me feel afraid and the dog them a bark, you know. And me I say, home me just feel afraid. So me I say, Britney no come in yet. So me I say, one day if she come and the dog them a bark. Me go back go lay down.
You know, say if you have dog in your yard, you know, say dog them can feel like that too.
Me say dog them back. I next morning me get up and me say to my landlord, say, you know, so me wake up last night and couldn't go back go sleep. And me hear the dog them a back and me say to them, say, you know hear the dog them and they say no, they don't hear the dog. And me say me hear the dog. When I time me even look out the door for see if somebody out here there man. That time me not hear say chicken dead yet.
Dog them love feel it. And me say, see, first girl we text me. All the girl text with no remarks, nah, nothing. Because I like, I live with girl, I don't chat up him, I don't want to get dark, you know. The one named Kitty came on. Well, if I look for the woman text us upon Dyema chicken baby. Just dry so, you know. Leave in a sentence, you know. Nearly give me a heart attack out of my bed, you know. I know, say me not young. Put me in trouble with bad heart. I dead, mother dead. I dead, mother dead. Come me just see the big hole. We just wake up to Dyema chicken dead. Then even explain and say, sorry, like how one other little girl text me and say, sorry for texting so late. Sorry for texting so late, Dyema, but chicken pass on. She just text dry, Dyema chicken dead. But they even know when they get me number for me now because I don't know none of them. I don't. Boss said I don't know none of them. But one somebody me know and I like one of them tips. I don't know none of them. I don't know where they get me number from. But obviously they get you and text me. But I don't know them. I never see them in my day in my life yet. And one somebody me know where chicken work with and I this I look one name Chips car. Them come on my foot and me and them. Remember me and them work together so me know them. They know nobody. Me don't know them the one they get me. I don't know them get me number from but I know them get it. Well, we have to just left things in God and not Jesus. Okay, man, we have to just left things in God and God know what is best. You know what chicken right now? You know why vibes the chicken that give me? You give me the little chicken that give me a vibes and the little of a Guyana. One of them vibes that me they get.
Yes. Same way.
And the vibes the chicken that they give me. You know boss me. You know what's that vibe? They give me the vibes there. Like you little people they do a Guyana when with no explanation and the vibes them I get with the chicken there. The same energy them I get.
And then it was so
then it was so they know say chicken and no bad back family background and if chicken people them no love media, them know the entire people there and all them sitting there. But me I beg God, me say all if chicken bother them now take you up in a hand and then can afford to take you up in a hand. Me I tell you say I hope God put them to justice.
And when she come married,
they call me, you know,
He cry right.
what's me call you, you know? Cause remember say, you know, so basically, let me tell you, when they tell me, when most people call me, they say, me know, you know, and me I say, who not, and then they say, me don't know if I true about me, I hold on. And somebody
Yes,
call me and
strawberry.
tell me, I go over Dyema page. As a Dyema page, everybody tell me, say, when they call me, everybody tell me, say, over Dyema page. And when they call me, I say, no, something call Dyema here, I say, you know, they say, no, look, what's up?
Alright, my boy. So you're good though.
Wow, go have a friend.
Alex, yeah.
I seen that killer, man.
Eh?
I seen that killer.
See that killer walk me, actually call me there, call me friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, my brother walk me to my friend there dead with them, now I'm emotional. See.
Yeah, man, but we have
So
some
walk
news.
me, alright?
Yeah, man, me good, man. Actually, we have some news to
Go
tell
follow
you.
you back on me call.
Yeah. Me follow you. We have some news, pan that's why me have some news, pan that's why me
Where
come
you
up. We have some news, pan your friend thing that's why me come up. Come remember, you know, so me have Wally Papa up on the ground. You see, girl.
Talk then, my brother.
You see, girl, when you there with her?
Mm.
Tell her dog some pussy. Tell her dog some pussy and Robin.
See that killer, I don't want to hear that. I tell that story.
Me I tell you what, you know.
That story, killer, that story don't make no sense. I tell you hear that.
Okay. Alright.
You know what? That don't make no sense.
I want me ear still.
That's the first story we hear for the day. That now had up on now make no sense.
Ear, me I want me ear, my sis.
You know about it, you know about that story.
Okay. Yeah, my sis. I know say you know about it, but that me years ago.
Yeah, me know about that story. I just not follow it up because I kill the story. That so me just not say.
It sounds careless, but you know, you can look at it.
It careless. That makes sense.
That's easy, man.
Kill like careless.
Yeah, man.
Careless argument. Kill like careless. That is careless argument.
But some people I call and them show me that pretty. You see me some.
And that the story them plan to send out. Just like how they plan to story up a guy and if he said it could be Joan. And that the story them take we have for we mark.
You feel like
For we mark. That careless story that not make no sense.
You
See
feel
that
like-
killer. If me see that killer.
Yeah.
See that killer, listen. If me sell, listen to me, see that killer. If me have something, if me sell a fuck, and you rob me, you go wait till dance done, the box down me, I do me something. Where you go wait till dance done, I enjoy myself and my life. Even if I did that trail me, where you go wait till you trail me till the guard dance done work everything. That makes sense. That careless argument. That see that killer.
You're right, Miguel. You're right, goody.
See that killer. If me sell a fuck, I me rob you. I hear they trail me all long. You know must put me at that spot where you can't tap and job me. You wait till me guard dance, till me done dance, till bar like everything to come kill me.
Dyema, you never wrong, you know, man. Remember, say you never wrong, you know. You never wrong, you know. All when the matter.
I remember saying, see that kid, and I don't like little girl them I travel with. And I bust them I take, and I like to them, I bust them I take, then I have a straight guy. Listen, all the trailing go. That make you sound fool. I bust then take, then you know one straight guy. Listen, I bust then take. Oh, you just trail and bust so then I parade bad man, and I like me we go with 100 man, and I like me killer. But you know me go parade 100.
Yeah, you think
And I like me. Then I parade no man, I two of them alone, I bust them I take. And what kind of trail could that trail me? So you say you fuck, you rob me, they trail me. You waiting me go work dance, work done, dance like half. Then you come shoot my friend, then me run gun, and you left me where rob you. See that killer kill me, argument,
okay, that's what you man. You never wrong, man.
you just use that. Me just run that to throw you off of the game.
You never wrong.
This argument.
Remember the British them take taxi go we are blood clot Portland.
A taxi then
I
take
go
everywhere.
find
Then in a one straight drive, you trail him. Killer, a taxi then take go everywhere. All the time, chicken in a one straight drive, unless I'm here carrying him. That's right all the time.
Remember, you never wrong, you know, man.
Every all British tell me say in their Mandeville that
Killer, you rob some of my people them say they trail him. So you say that fuck, you rob somebody and then trail him. What kind of man them they go wait till you done work? Man, I got trail for their money and then grief. Killer, and wait till they done work, till buy like half, they come shoot, and then you go shoot it. Listen, you're going to shoot the next one and sell no fuck, and the next one and sell a fuck run guard. How you gonna run and kill him? See that killer kill his argument then.
Yeah, man.
All the news reporters they run them argument, them kill his too. That's why you see me not follow it up and say it, because I know I kill this argument that. That now add up, that now make no sense whatsoever.
They just want to get it over with and done.
They just want to use something to take we have our track.
Right. Me understand. Me see why you say no, sis.
That don't make no sense. The girl him have a straight drive. A bus the girl him in a. What kind of man have time to trail the farm in a bus? Can you which is probably have to go take 2 buses and to reach in there. Or 1 bus or 1 car. And you take 1 bus or 1 car, then man go wait. Listen to just listen to what I say. The other man go wait till you done work and everything. And even up there so. Cause first, one of the tourists are chill and one of the tourists say, I know the dance. Him tell one man how fucking dance, and the man. Found this part media made they say, oh, him tell man fucking a dance. And man, the girl rob him, and man go and come back. So you want me to say, you're in a dance. And you tell man a fucker you rob man. So man go wait to dance. Deal with the 5 man in a day mad. Man I can't do shoot up dance and everybody. When man come wait till you done work. Back up and man.
You're right, not only that, if it's a bad man, you don't need to go for no gun, shoot her, you just well and say, hey girl, give me my money and take your time pocket. I've been thinking about him. Yeah, you're right.
I have some man who just cut up at them.
Yeah, man, you're right.
I don't like the girl in my party that does man. So I tell us, I kill this argument them there.
Yeah, man, you're right. You're right.
Not entertain. Every time when people tell me about it, I entertain, not tell them to come up on my phone. Because I entertain that I kill this argument.
You're right.
I show them a true rap. That don't make no sense. That kill this argument. That.
You're right.
Remember, say everybody see that everybody has said little girl sell pussy. And then no with the little girl. So all no say sell pussy if you don't know him. So appear kill this argument. Because everybody ask about her more. And I first the girl ever they go for promotion work and they must say work about it. When you ask somebody about it, nobody don't know nothing about it. So how the fuck you know say sell pussy? Here kill this argument.
Right.
Because you don't know you don't know nothing about you. How the fuck you know say sell pussy?
You're right, man.
And then the little girl tell me, say, she live a Spanish town and people are saying come from Senti. And then the other girl will say, send him, say she come from Maple. I pay careless argument.
No, add up.
No, add up. Pure careless argument. To show you off of the track. Pure careless argument. So, send me up on my platform and listen to a careless argument. Any other words, me that want to careless argument, they go on. Because me know chicken and mix up in a no. Self fuck and none something. So you say me hear careless argument, I don't listen to it. I don't listen to careless argument.
See that
killer that nah up killer the girl na party no man the girl na have a straight drive. Remember say don't get promoter the girl go to go sleep. So what the hell you go wait till done lick down the money. And then the bush place. What kind of money they could have robbed them so? Tell me. And them robbed man they run them the car they na add them no money. Where you could have for rob them so? That Mr. KC not in a long time we in a dance, man.
A long time, man. You know badness come down already, man. You know it come down already.
Them the kind of corner, them the kind of bar, them the kind of bar corner, they are each up corner there. And what kind of money then the man they go walk with you, girl rob them? Tell me. Whether they enjoy. What kind of money?
Alright, man. Everything what you say makes sense.
No, none of them. No, can I go those now go those if I want 10 grand about 5 that don't make no sense, my friend. No sense.
Let me see your first post. I'm seeing pain in your eyes.
If I still there, if I still there and I select that killer, I can't say that rate him. I'm bad. You know you say that rate me, I say that rate him.
Yeah, man. Them don't know, man. I don't know it go. You see
funny woman dead. Funny woman dead, they have this self-fuck argument of paid funny woman. I mean, I look for them. This car. You know when I say them a liar? See that killer? Everybody has said, don't know the girl, the chicken go with. Everybody has said, I first want to do promotion work. So if you don't know him, what the fuck you don't know say sell pussy?
You're right.
That me the car.
Right, man.
Right. How the fuck you don't know say sell pussy? Everybody me ask about him, everybody has said, don't know him. So how the fuck all pana sudden sell pussy? Who all pana sudden sell pussy? The girl tell me say come from Punish Town, other people that tell me say come from Black River. Some people that tell me say the girl, the other one is selling me chicken, she when him kitty, she tell me say this girl come from Maple. At 20 different places girl come from. Not even a fixed address we can get.
So no belong make sense.
If nobody know the girl address, and everybody has say I force my do promotion work. What the fuck you know say sell pussy?
Right.
I see the girl was selling. See that You see the girl will say, and she send her to the call her for the work. When me call she, I say, send me a picture of the girl no, because I don't know the girl. She said she don't know picture of the girl. So I say, oh, you have to send somebody that recruit, you don't know picture. You have her Instagram? She said she don't know Instagram. Me get mad for you know? You know me easy to get mad no killer. So I say, hey girl, you know, say, me name call her girl, I say, you know, so now make me, I get to. I pray on because all the fucker go said, well, recruit go somewhere. I don't know picture of him on Instagram. She said, she see her one bar Saturday, and she get her number and say, I'm ready to do promotion. No, make no sense.
You're
Right.
right.
You know, Tina Killer, if you go recommend a girl to you, if you go call me right now, I just say, damn, I give you a dancer girl. Me go office and picture, because you go want to see and look, and you go want to see Instagram is bad.
Definitely.
So what the fuck you don't have no picture for you girl, you don't know Instagram. Tina Killer, nothing add up.
No. You know?
Nothing add up.
You're hurt, you know, man. You see it, man. Your first video, I say. It's every time I see you, I have to reach out. I have to find and reach out. You see me?
Nothing
To me,
add up. I just nothing add up.
yeah, man, you know, add up for you, man. You make a whole percent, you know. Sis.
No, I know she me the talk strawberry. That a ice me the talk. They say ice. She don't know ice Instagram and she don't have no picture of the ice. There's no way Tina Killer go come and say, damn, I want two girls to work. The first thing a promoter go ask to say, let me see how they look. I know promoter don't want no girl to look shaky at them place.
Exactly.
And then the second thing, they go say, send me Instagram and me say if him bad. You see me boss lady? That's the second thing they go ask you. Because every time me get no show overseas and me say me okay chicken.
So,
Promoter say me go okay me dance and then everybody say, show me send me a dance at Instagram and me say, go and go look kind bad. I first thing a promoter go say no promoter not book you even look good. Because promoter want no shaky girl at them place. They want to see how you look because promoter them want to see one girl will go Jordan man to come bar blood. No, make no sense. That's why you say me a careless argument. Me not even run with it. All me hear on this spot media. And some me know say on this spot media can fast dudes and fuck with because what me hear my running about is and clap is and them a set in a fart in the chat big man. Just story that for you.
Don't know.
But you hear him about Nakis and clapping and friend. And the Nakis and clapping grab one and shot one. Say them a set an example. A foolish you say the talk sorry. Well, now you see them a vlogger, they learn to get them. You know what say? They tell me say chicken dead. Tina Killer. You know what say? I me have to hear 10 times before me post chicken. You know, let me take me post chicken. See me, I say, you know, one post, me happy because I can't come to reality, you know. And when me really call a little girl now, when they say him eyes, that I little one when they did with him. And I say, chicken dead for you, girl. As in dead for you, she say yes. He said dead for you, she say yes.
so then
Got you, she did.
people like
What? Yes,
then see a chips the up there. They must see a chips the up.
No, sir, never cheap. Chips never up.
No, I never watch him.
No, sir, chips never up. I never Oshi. Eh?
I never see you up there.
I never Oshi the girl will go with her name Ice. I never Oshi.
So then put out her picture, Dyema. Put out one girl picture this morning. And she,
I don't know if she, you know, because I want 100 pictures of them and she will say, this is somebody, that is somebody. Hold on, my life I broke up, hold on.
the not TV
So why girls say?
Then, listen, you see,
What for your excuse? What she say pertaining to what they matter about?
she said,
That you are,
I tell her where she tell me killer. She tell me, say that eyes. That eyes. When me call she tell me, say, party over for about 12 o'clock. And them away for the promoter to pack up and lock up. And she don't have the vaccine, so she don't have the vaccine car front. And chicken say about talk to him. She said she just see chicken drop a ground. She said she never knows she shot chicken because she think I pain chicken pain. She said when she ever touch chicken because she said she don't know if I traumatized her frightened, but she know you're not shot. Tell her what she said, Tina Killer. She said when she go around to go touch chicken, she hears somebody say, listen now, she said she hears somebody say duck. And then when she duck, the car glass shut out and she cry up on her belly and go to the car back. That's how the girl when him eyes say. I tell her when tell me.
that makes no sense. Oh, that makes sense. You dance can over and shot fire and know to shot fire.
And in front of you, so,
Oh, that
in
makes
front
sense.
of you so close.
Makes sense. The man, all of they are this.
I'm
that.
silent,
The man,
God. Me never Jamaica.
what you talk about, man? Madness
Jamaica have
that, man.
silent God seen a killer.
Yeah, but the man didn't have no access to no silent gun. That a fairy tale, right? That's so because especially if dance over, I know music now play a shot fire. If you even down the road, all a half mile or so a mile, you hear all the shot fire.
And then say dance over from 12, and when you look on it, Tina Killer then say dance over from 12, and when you look on the Pitney status, the Pitney post, in a bar, 12 feet, yeah. They say dance over 12 o'clock at that. They say no. And see the little girl you see in a Killer, see it. Look, see time. So they see in the bar, they say see time the 12:40. They say dance over 12 o'clock. 40 a.m.
Yeah.
Okay, so dance over 12 o'clock. Oh, she's still in a bar. 12:40. And they say out the door. What me baby? And they say they went out the door. So someone, yes, it's a pay fairy tale again.
Yeah, man. Something alright. Something alright.
A pay fairy tale you get.
Yeah, fairy tale story. Some fairy tale story they go on this assist. Yeah, but get serious when I sit there. I will get serious when I sit there.
That's why I don't like that about nothing in Jamaica, and then all of them eat up over TikTok and ready to cuss me when I talk about the little girl a Guyana one day. You see, Jamaica no unite and talk about nothing like this. Things like this, they not come to talk about. Dirty people know what TikTok when we take up this, they not take up, you know. But you see, then they see you not talk about nothing in Jamaica really. Nobody they don't want to take up things, and you see when I see other things they talk about it, they cuss you. Because all this you know, you know, saying, girl, like a chicken, nobody, you know, see them take up here, nobody now. I one boy, why would they vlog me see take up a serious and an pint. And pint alone, me see take up a serious and talk about it. But you see, when don't, if I went on there, when if you trace me and tell me, say me this and me that, and me not talk about no one in Jamaica. You see, when you then trace me, I say the only reason I talk about it, actually, my friend. Because I saw them stay. And then when I start talking about things now, I start telling people be careful. You can't please Jamaican scene a killer. You cannot please Jamaican and black people. Our system so the police them just question it and let they never say they keep people who have received nothing. They just they human and the girl just station. I know I don't have woman yeah they go the girl go question the girl and then the girl gone. The girl just gone.
Sorry, so when the youth call chicken the night and ask her if he never come home. But just sorry. Can you call her about after 12 and ask her if he come here? And she said no, she has sleepover.
Because the lady, the promoter lady say anytime chicken come a man live. She say anytime chicken come a man, chicken always stay down her yard. So chicken stay down her yard, basically chicken comfortable as somebody when no good. You understand, boss lady?
Yeah.
Because so chicken stay down. So if you go to one party, anyway, anytime I come now, I'm mobile side in come on me. You know, but I go down back in come on me. You understand? I don't know, me I tell the killer it's sad.
It's sad because I see pain in your eye there, man. That's why I say, me I'm sorry if you reach out to you to see how you feel and want to go on. You see me hear that little roast, you know?
Shana don't pay, you know,
So that's why
don't pay an argument or nothing. Come tell about chicken. When they work with promoter and that, you see that little girl anywhere and go. I'll be a 23,000 tip in and 30,000 tip card. I better get tips. So even if you go work somewhere and promoter don't want to pay you, that would be a problem. What baby? That would be a because she always have a tip and chicken not bad them. So if I went in the case of pay an argument, she don't go about her business. You know things so the promoter saying you see man animal always done and yards. You know, I don't know. Chana, I don't know pain. I don't know pain. No pain problem, car. No man, I don't know pain problem in night. But something does
something alright with you, G.
yeah, cause she not comfortable. I go stay in the yard. So yeah, as somebody where she used to say she never comfortable, she wanna stay but sleep. You get mommy as a killer.
That,
Big woman.
tell the drivers to come here.
Don't tell the driver to come in, she wouldn't want to stay. Yeah, so you say if you not used to like that, she not.
Even that. Even if you call, even for instance, if you driver could make you say, you know, British dead right now, that's a start, but they don't have to come, your name boy, they come in. You don't go down there. So,
They
I'm
come
like,
for
I saw
here. And when the driver call her, she said no, she asleep over.
someone with make it stay there, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Happy.
As what the promoter lady said, she said when chicken come down, like, all if I know she book chicken or whatever, chicken always call her and say, like, me not call her and say, me I come down and say, come sleep, come here, I want to work, and she will say, yes. So chicken used to her like how you used to me.
Yeah, me know them vibes. Know them vibes. Yeah.
So me don't know what go on. But it is but as me I tell you, see that killer, he sell pussy argument a fairy tale. Fairy tale, my friend.
Because when me see
Me I work with them. They say they never wrong in a Dyema for me know, you know. And me see us only come on the chat up them out on the internet. Actually, they don't even know some man be and grieve, you know. Let me see us only come on sometime the back and forth today, you know.
Then just one go on, I just leave them at the end top because if me come back TikTok as a come if me come a kill, you come a TikTok come get kill, it's a mix of Tina killer. No for them could ram
So
go on.
say, yo, when me see us only come on a size up in a Dyema, me grieve, you know. That some boy don't even have no clue.
Tina killer, you know me stay, you know. That's why you see me. You see, chicken them know me stay, you know. That's why me I go up on the road, no Tina killer. You know me now just go up on the road, so.
Dyema, me must
Remember that.
I'm supposed to even talking with you and geeks up themselves or a girl, you know. That me I tell you, you know. Sometimes
Tina killer, you know me no keep company.
and the same thing me there, sir. The same thing me there, sir. I say, no for them when you see attack, no for them when you see Depa TikTok and this attack. No for no car my blood clot dance. Cause if you come a country, nobody now look. No for nobody now look for no. Them alone can't run one party, so me not book nobody else. Me not just my put them up on the post.
Dyema superstar for what decades or years. Some of them they can rap dance.
Oh, you see some people attack and this and that. Me know. Remember say everybody don't know say a Marvin and Dyema a me idol. You really know that, you know? No black and no TikTok and no this, no that. I don't think them say Marvin and Dyema. If Dyema, they are real, no brother. Dyema are real smart, no brother. So some people on TikTok don't know. They just
Dyema know. Dyema tell you when me and her they are.
Dyema see. When you get to know,
Tina killer, you know some me no love friend. If me I go, either me I can one of my cousin. You know, Tina killer, you know say either me I can one of my cousin them, or one of my niece them. You know me no go. And for you see me have a little friend, I'm one of the friend me go because killer, you know me no keep friend. You know me alone.
You know that 100%.
Me no care. Me pull up any dance by myself.
Yeah, man. Kind of like the boy.
You know keep friend because you see na you see in life. You see in life nowadays. You see if you're dead. A friend or a family member and you kill him, you're not dead good. You have to be careful than them nowadays life. Remember that.
I'm going to tell you.
I like me I tell killer. And them nowadays life, yeah. You don't know what them nowadays. If you're dead and a friend. If a friend then you kill a family member, you're not dead good. Sometimes change right now, you know, killer.
Then Dyema, I mean, see, Dyema, you know, said Dyema, watch this now. I see it, man. I see people, them, my friend, them, and them see man corrupt, man. They are foreign all along, and I see it, you know. You know, it's people may help up, yeah. You know, it's people may help up at this blood clot, and I them see man right, and I see them come fall. So me know exactly what I talk about things, and time change. And like we used to happy, you know, Dyema. We go anywhere, you know, happy, you know, people love we, you know. No. The same people them what?
Somebody tell me something about Fafarin.
Man. I'll go take a link, you know, there.
Yeah, but my Wi-Fi. I mean, my Wi-Fi chip in and chip out. Guys, you know, can't tap up the screen, Guys, you know, can't tap up the screen and send me to something. Oh?
I've got a link.
I tell them, I feel this to me. I say, come on, I don't sleep. I'll have to train. Come on, I'll have to train. I'll have to train and I walk up and down.
you see that fiber?
Right now,
This is
come like me just listen for hear a gate push. That anytime she come through the gate, me hear the gate. And she have to pass my doorway if you go a fear door.
Yeah, no star.
Every night, every morning when she come in, me have to draw my curtain and make sure so she go in a fear house and lock her door before me pull back my curtain.
Yes, you know, man,
I
because
seen a killer,
man,
you know what I like. I know what I like with him to see a killer. That little girl never drink the junk yet. Never.
And you're ambitious.
He now over drink.
A young
Never
girl.
see the junk. I let me drink on and my lick. I let me let my lick and leave. Can't pick up everything. I can't bother me ready drink and leave. He never drink to no extent yet. He never drink much.
Yes.
He never drink too much like that. One cup of liquor can save him because he does naturally. He don't have to drink no liquor for dance. He does naturally does love dance.
yeah.
And what me like with her too, she not go and nothing in her community.
Man,
She not work in our community. She not go and no dance in our community.
because woman don't want to steal out in our community.
You never see her want dance in our community. Some people we see when the picture put out now, some people we say, then she didn't live down there with you. And I say, yeah.
It's sad, Dyema. It's sad, it's sad.
I want people me see a comment and I say, so I make this a little girl very talented so and when in dead we are see them. What kind of style is don't people noir. And she a big international dancer. The highlight with chicken with a long time.
Are you really
I'm
push
So with that 1 year,
really get chicken the
and
highlight.
when she did, me know.
yeah, me could carry. Cause me no win in there. So me say, yo, me
get chicken
introduce you to them.
Me get chicken got town and boom boom end up like him and then exchange number and then start that town by themselves. And me cannot get chicken the highlight because chicken ain't get no highlight. I mean I dance out you're supposed to get highlight and but chicken ain't get that.
I me tell you.
Chicken ain't get the highlight.
I don't like she run up and down and watch to it, but I feel say alright then. When you got town and sit now, we remember when me and her got town, me and her Oshini got town. I would we go up what is the name? When boom boom keep this on the sitting. We go there one time. You remember it? I forgot tell you come to it. I forgot tell you how you carry go there.
I remember say I make carry up there.
Remember say you come to sit now because we don't know. We remember say you.
Are you? I remember shot our car and come for no.
Yeah. For real. I want chicken in here.
I mean, how no man study go. Me and you and chicken and man stuff.
You know, chicken love stars. He love their city. They him. Dyema, he to me. Star, Dyema man studies. I said, you know, must know that. You know, about Dyema then better. And so we had him talk. And I say, hey. You see how when chicken come home, yeah, me not lie. Dyema a good girl. Dyema a good girl. Remember say you come through and carry go up, boom boom them sitting because we never know about them sitting there. And that's what you're saying. So now people see her and feel like to say, yo, I'm Dyema carry go on because we don't know no event at all. We don't even know boom boom them. Only thing we do is watch boom boom them. Nobody, we don't know nobody.
Yeah, I end up carry him. Boom man make see number, boom end up like him. Him boom make see number, so boom we call him a week time. Boom call him a week time because boom ain't get to rate him. And then boom give him a nice little highlight at all.
Yeah.
And you know say you show on discipline. You know say every time I got town, he said Dyema me go for boom son and I say alright this year.
I mean just never talk about that. Anytime I got told
Boom always make sure say Boom always make sure say get back with some money if you going back with. Ever make sure get with some money if you going back with. Ever.
Dyema, you're real person, Dyema.
People don't know that.
Dyema, you're real.
Dyema, just Dyema upon the media.
They might see over here alone.
They might see over here alone. We have to get to know people.
No, Dyema, I really woman in the industry, we know and a decades, we know Dyema.
Yo,
decades. Every party that used to play, and me and Dyema did it. I mean, and Dyema, they roll along everywhere. I mean, Dyema, they gotta go themselves. You have some picture with me and Dyema, oh God, I treasure them. I treasure them there.
Everywhere me
tell
I
you
see
something,
that.
everywhere I mean, I hear the galang with himself.
Sunday.
Anyway, when they kill out of me, I chicken, they make a real chicken to find have a vibe.
Yeah, man, we not done know, man. Trying know that, man. Me feel your fuck. Me say me see people.
Remember when we used to up at Irving, I saw Sunday daytime, for care.
Oh, God almighty. Oh, God, man. Everywhere we walk up the trouble, man. Fear things. I don't know.
You're gonna hurry in a chicken shop.
Oh, she never miss her still.
And this is you tell
She
yourself.
never miss already.
I'm the one that
No,
go
no
to
care
him
about
and me call him and say chicken. If me call him and say chicken. If me call him and say chicken, we want to show it 12. He say, all right, sister, I'm all right, you done.
Oh, no, man.
Me not have to call him and ask him, say. Me not have to call him and say, nothing. He can't just call him out. He can't just call him. Me can't just call him out of blues and say, chicken, there you go, so. And he not tell me, say, me not no clothes. He not say nothing. He say, all right, me I take bus and come. All right, kill him, me there, me drive. Oh, this is oh, chicken.
You know, real smarty.
Fish of chicken of us I eat it sleep. They don't go ahead. I'm carrying. I say, take drive.
Sure.
So anyway, no killer. You could have whether you are my friend, you are a driver and a doing that car that you tell us everything not. That's why I tell us I see a story about trail. Cause the only way you can trail people unless they don't want vehicle by then say that's the only way you can trail people. You go trail one bus, a public passenger bus. Tell me now.
I don't like they take taxi go far and the same house she. We have blood clean Portland in there. Go Portland fucking far.
You talk about Portland, so no taxi then take that town too. A taxi then take that town.
Me I say go Portland far. So go for Mandeville as the least.
But the man even
like
45 minutes for Sandy.
I saw them at that time. But not them time, you know, this day. I saw them man they have time to sit down and to chase woman and sit down and wait for them. How could I was so? So no I do.
Still ain't done work.
Still ain't done work and everything. No problem could want to take people for fool better.
Yeah, I get fucked there, man. That's when I see man, them do all them thing that one shit. All right. Say the scenario them pull off. Say she go in her pocket and ray. You know, for the time and I laugh. You know, we said shadow. She don't get me. You know, cause
you know laugh. I take the joke and say. You know laugh. I take the joke and say. Boy, so one girl give me a fuck and the girl pick me.
yeah, we laugh, Dyema. Laugh. I laugh because I can't, even if I want only 20,000, I can't more than that. You see me? I can't more than that, you know.
That me I say I can't.
I can't more than that. Can't more than only 10,000, only 5,000. Them money have, brother. Yeah, that.
So no matter the person, you know, really look
Man, I feel like you down, man. Jano.
joking that brother.
Class. Yeah, I get fucked.
That's joking.
When the man analyze if you need him like that, no, everything no get crash, man. You see me?
See that killer me say
Yeah,
you see
but
the world turning a pink. You know see the world is pink. Man them pink out the world, you blue, you barely have blue right now, I pure pink. Man turn to man,
Real
you
thing.
to man.
A real thing, man, because Jano, sad. Because there's no way. And them man they are not bad, you know. Sitting around with them, they're sick. And a bad them bad. Them a boy and a bad them bad we can do them. Like I not about that no bad. Sick them sick. You see me? I sick them sick, man.
There's somebody there cooking.
I sick them sick, man. Cause there's no way. No way. I remember we know Dyema with no one in there, no man. You know, I've really tapped in and you know where badness come down, you know. And there's no way that could happen, you know. Wrong way, you know. No way possible. If you are holding it, you know. We need justice for us.
But I tell
We need
Kemar,
justice. We have to stand
I
up.
tell Kemar, so we
Hello?
probably can we have
Hello?
a platform where we just participate with this thing and happy to them on my friends.
Yeah, man. I really think we need justice. I
Yeah,
get
man.
with the
Man,
with all
You say
Naya
that
thing.
that's a bit-
I will help solve Naya thing and get all the man who slap with Naya, you know. You know, if you have pay attention, I will do that.
So they ain't get
On
all.
the internet. Yeah, man.
They ain't get
Boy, when
all.
he
She not
steal.
killer, they ain't get all.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The boy when him steal, man. Boy when him steal. You see, boy when the side of Naya, feel uncle.
Mm.
I feel uncle do it, man.
So that's all.
Yeah, man. Boy on the side of Naya, I feel uncle do it. Man, Naya when they go at it, Naya when go. Man, when they go at it, they went friend and fall out. One of them know what. One of them don't know what cause Naya did. They just cover it up. We know.
Remember, let me see if I like my spirit, I take my black one. You know, can go somewhere, but my spirit, I take a woman, I just black you a while ago.
See me there, so we have to
My spirit, I take you.
fight. We need justice for her, man. We need justice for the dancer.
Man,
We need
just
justice.
follow me.